Hello.
What are we doing today then, boys?
We are, so yeah, you haven't seen this so far. So we've got a Nova. There it is. Keith's just painted it, did a terrible job.
As usual.
As normal. We've got to take it off the spit and start putting it back together today. So it's a lot of cleaning bolts and a bit of filming. Let's get on. What are you doing up here anyway?
I was just going to see how the other two brass monkeys are doing.
Right, let's get this on the thing. Where's the rubber bits? You made enough noise? What was I going to say? We get stuff like this, innit? Hiya everybody, we haven't posted in a while. We're trying to do the sort of like 10-minute full restoration build in one video, try and get more people interested. But because that obviously takes time to do, we're going to post a few sort of like behind the scenes and blog and just messing around. This is Simon. You haven't met Simon yet.
You alright? How you doing?
So got Simon in to help us out so we can get the builds done a bit quicker. At the moment we're doing a Nova with a VXR engine in. Ooh. You had a Nova, didn't you?
The missus had two.
Two Novas. See, old people had Novas. So yeah, we're going to try and do sort of like a weekly video, or maybe 2 weeks, 2 videos a week, just like a blog and just behind the scenes, and yeah, keep the channel going. So just waiting for him to hurry up and then we'll get this fuel tank in. Right, come on. Do you want me to lubricate the pipe first? Just gonna like that. Sorry. Need some white paint after. Oh, actually, Keith's got to paint the outside anyway, so he can just paint these nuts.
These nuts?
These nuts.
Can I edit memes over the top of this?
Yeah, we'll just do it so it's like a comedy show. I mean, working here is like that anyway. Yeah, so Keith is... Oh, I'll just clean up the originals and paint them. Keith is doing a camper van roof at the moment, down the bottom, earning his money, which is good. Go and find Keith if you want.
Yeah, go see what he's doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, that'd be funny.
No, what? Come on. Right, so now you want to know what I do whilst we're not doing these cars. Basically, we do a job for a company that do VW roofs. In the afternoon or in the morning, depending on when we're filming, I come down, basically paint these roofs to get some money for pay my wages, and that's it. So I don't just sit on my bottom all afterwards, after the filming, I do some work. So come and have a look, see what we do. And I usually paint sort of 2 roofs a day. Obviously that one I've got to do the lacquering now, so I'll do that. You're not coming in to watch me lacquer. You can have a look through the door or something because of dust.
Dust! Anybody?
So, it does smell like cow shit, doesn't it, in here? It's all flies buzzing around me. So on the Nova, we're going to go through the brakes front to back, and it's a good job really. We're checking them properly because have a look at that. Big kink in the brake pipe, which isn't going to help. Also on the car, the original brake pipes are still fitted for when it had a single master cylinder. Now it's got the Motorsport twin type, so it's just front and back and you can bias it. So we're going to get rid of all the brake pipes, renew them all, and get them all looking good, which is good. So after that, I think we'll fit the engine later, won't we? Yeah. Get the engine in later on, so see you in a bit. This is where it all goes wrong. We drag the engine up the bulkhead. Or I smack my head on it. Which way are we going to go? Right, drop it down. Alexa, off! Bloody hell, it worked. Never usually does. Doesn't understand me farmer accent. Or Alexa. Keep going. Whoa. Down at that very carefully. Tiny bit more. Okay. Right, we'll have to lift it up now. Sound. Right. Down. Pump it, baby. Go on. Keep going.
Spaced with a nut in between.
Oh, right, okay. Let's do the gearbox side first then. Do, 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 do. Oh, they're lined up, they are. Straight in. Put some water on it. Is that the saying? I can't remember. No, flour in it. It's alright, you're too young to realise what I'm on about. Too young and innocent. Oh, I thought I'd mark the paint then, Keith would have killed me. Okay, you in? So it's a 312 horsepower Astra, I was going to say Vectra, Astra VXR, bigger turbo, bigger injectors, and it replaced the probably 50 horsepower 1.2 that was in there. But somebody else had already done the conversion, but just some of the stuff was awful. All the engine mounts were knacked, weren't they?
Yeah, that's re-weld them.
Re-weld all the engine mounts, they're all cracked. And then what we've done is double braced all around the front. Put another plate on the inside of the chassis leg, so we've repaired it and then put an extra plate on the inside so it's doubly as strong. Right, where are we going?
Up a little bit on. Make a change, you just went right.
I know. What we're doing now is the engine mounts actually had a fine thread, but we're sticking real coarse threaded bolts and just like winding them in sideways.
Yeah.
No, the old mounts. Let me get the old
degrees.
mounts. Get a close up of that bad boy. Look at that for an engine mount. And it's all in there, is all cross-threaded. And that's where they couldn't line it up properly. Just wound the bolts in. That's what I used to do. No, I didn't really. Ooh. Straight through the intercooler. Right, we're sorted. That's it, engine's in, I'm going. Shall I get underneath actually? Let me get Keith's well-used engine mat. Fuck mat. Stay at that, look.
You damn cheese, isn't it?
That would have been good to lie down on, wouldn't it? I've just thrown it on the floor, I'll stand on it in a bit. Right, Another bit in there somewhere. Right then. We're about 6 inches down at the back.
You know about 6 inches tall.
It's about that big. You can tell this was a cow shed because the floor stinks of poo still. Every time it gets warm it just starts like poo coming up. Right, don't step on that. Ah! I'm only joking. What Keithy's done, so that will sit on there and then cover over the middle so you don't have to paint that bit, but look at that. Just the job. Do you want me to get my fingers in there? Probably not put my fingers in there.
Put your fingers in there if you want.
That's what she said. Getting a bit too much in it. Doing my hard work here. Oh, hang on. Let me get a part in the video. I'll be a hand model.
Make it look like you've done something.
Yeah, ready? Hands coming in. Oh, look at that. Yeah. And that is the engine in. It only took us Half an hour, isn't it? Really? Not that long. Didn't scratch it, which is ideal. Oh, it's tight, that is. That's mega tight down there. Today, what's today? Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, so we'll get it rolling tomorrow. And then Keith's got a day of rubbing down, and then Friday to paint it, and then I'm back in a weekend, hopefully making the exhaust. And then next week it should be finished. So good news about this, I think I've pre-sold it already. So Austin, we send the interior to, we gave him the seats on this and the door cards. His brother buys all the cars for a company called Dream Car Giveaway. It's a Facebook site. My sister actually bid 99p, wasn't it, last year, and won a brand new Mini, 16 grand's worth. Well, it wasn't a brand new one. It was a couple of years old Cooper S, which was sound, for 98p. They're interested, so they're going to come round and have a look at it when it's done. So the quicker we do it, the quicker it will be my first car that is sold. So let's crack on. See you in a bit. So that's it for this little vlog. Let us know if you want more of these. You know, leave a like, leave a comment and all that jazz. It's just a stopgap in between the main builds. We've got loads and loads of projects to get through this year, so we've really got to get cracking. But yeah, again, leave a like if you want to see more of this kind of video. And I'll see you again.